Hey folks, how are you doing? It's nice to see all of you here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money by trading on the stock exchange, so do watch this video up to the end. In the description below this video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions. Besides, you will find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for Pocket Option registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit. And now, let's go to Pocket Option and get down to trading. After analyzing the price, I make a decision and open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $200. Today we're working with the Australian dollar Canadian dollar currency pair. The trade amount will be 5.4% of the initial balance. Please note that each candle on the chart corresponds to 30 seconds of real time. When opening a trade, I took into account the signal from the stochastic oscillator indicator about a possible price decline. After entering the trade, the price declined, but with a new candle it made a reversal and approached the entry point, stopping just a few positions away from it and then began to fluctuate. The stochastic indicator at this time continued to give a signal about a possible decline in price. The expiration period is coming to an end. There it is, our profit was $174. As you can see, there is nothing complicated about it. In 1 minute, we earned like a whole working day in the office. We continue. Now I'm opening an up trade for 1 minute with $200 in. The decision was made due to the presence of a conditional support level in the area of the average line of the Donchian channel indicator, thanks to which the price has not dropped below it for the past 15 minutes. I also took into account the data of the Williams percent range indicator, the line of which with the decrease in price tried to grow upwards, which is a signal of a possible increase in price. After opening the trade, the price fluctuated for a while, going below the entry and began to rise. The new candle that opened began to fluctuate. Because of it, it remained practically in the same place. And then the fluctuations began to push it down, bringing it closer to the entry point of the trade. Fluctuations continue and the trade is completed. There it is. We make $174 as a profit. Now you can search for a new entry point to the trade. Fluctuations in price continue and pass in the area of the average line of the Donchian indicator. On the next upward movement of the price, I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $200. This decision was made taking into account the data of the Williams percent range indicator, whose signals indicated a possible decline in price. In addition, there was a weak signal from the stochastic indicator, the same about a possible price decline. On the chart, we see that the active price decline has slowed down and there has been a slight rebound. Indicators continue to give signals about a possible decline in price. 30 seconds pass and now a new candle begins to fluctuate. At the same time, the price continues its gradual decline and is approaching the lower limit of the Donchian indicator, but it cannot reach it and a rebound occurs again. The trade is closing. There it is. Our profit was $164. And once again, in just 1 minute, we were able to earn the amount equal to a day's earnings in the office. Excellent. Now, the price has after some growth, makes a pullback down and I open an up trade. For 1 minute, the amount is $200. The decision was facilitated by the signal of the Williams percent range indicator about a possible increase in price. Also, the lines of the stochastic indicator have begun their reversal, which is a similar signal. You can see for yourself in my forecast, the price continues to grow and I don't see any reasons to worry. When the local maximum of the last candle is reached, the growth slows down. 30 seconds pass and another candle appears, which begins to fluctuate at the point of its appearance. But it does not last long and it begins to rise upwards. When the price rises, there is a resistance from sellers pushing it down. There it is, great, another $164 added to our balance. Isn't that wonderful? Let's continue. As we can see now, the growth has stopped and some price decline begins, accompanied by fluctuations. When a new candle appears, I open a trade for the movement of price below. For 1 minute, the amount is $200. When making this decision, I took into account the beginning of the reversal of price in the downward direction, and also the data of the Williams percent range indicator, which had a clear signal about a possible decline in price. After opening the trade, the price increases, but only insignificantly. The new candle hardly moves after opening. Only slight fluctuations are visible. The attempt of the price to continue its growth is almost immediately interrupted, and it's replaced by a rebound. After which, a steady downward movement of the price begins, with the desire to reach the average line of the Donchian indicator. The decline has ended and is replaced by a rebound in the area of the entry into the trade. A new candle begins to decline. There it is! After another $164 added to our balance. And now, this concludes our trading session and recap on the results. In some 7 minutes of real time, we made 5 successful trades and earned $840. So you see that you can choose between 2 options: to work a whole week in the office and get $800, or make it within a few minutes of trading binary options. To be a success in trading, you just need to watch my videos, learn from them, and repeat the trades. Now, the choice is yours. But it is essential that you carefully assess the current market situation before entering a trade. I recommend you to use indicators, for this helps reduce the risk and make a profit in the long term. I would like to encourage you guys to keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. And before we say goodbye, in the description below the video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And more, if you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will receive a personal link to the pocket option registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. Now, dear friends, this is a pretty nice offer, and I do hope you found this video helpful. So thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification button so you don't miss a thing. That's about all for today. Good luck in the market. Take care, folks, and see you soon in the next video.